China, Australia stocks rattled by new COVID lockdown. Chinese and Australian shares fell on Friday as a COVID-19 lockdown in commodities hub Yiwu rattled sentiment, whilst maximum different Asian shares trended higher on extra signs of easing U.S. inflation. As of 23:32 Eastern Time, 3:32 Greenwich Mean Time, China's blue-chip Shanghai Shenzhen CSI 300 index fell 0.2%, even as the Shanghai Composite Index fell in a comparable band. Sentiment towards the United States of America turned into Delta brand new blow through a 3-day lockdown in Yiwu, a prime commodity and production hub in the Zhejiang province. The city became placed in a partial lockdown earlier this week, and changed into installed a whole lockdown on Thursday, the South China Morning Post reported. China's economic system remains reeling from a series of economically detrimental COVID lockdowns imposed in advance this year, with traders wary of any more such measures. A lockdown in a primary commodity hub like Yiwu could spell extra problem for China's beleaguered business quarter, which all of a sudden shrank in July. Manufacturing stocks had been some of the worst performers at the blue-chip index on Friday. Australian shares fell 0.8% on the news, given that several principal miners inside the U.S. rely on China as an export vacation spot. BHP Group Limited (ASX), BHP, the arena's biggest miner, dropped 0.7%, even as Rio Tinto Limited (ASX), Rio, traded flat. Most different Asian shares rose on Friday, as more symptoms of a slowdown in U.S. inflation boosted sentiment. Data on Thursday showed the Manufacturer Rate Index (PPI) abruptly shrank in July, a day after some other analyzing confirmed the Consumer Charge Index (CPI) sank extra than expected. Still, gains have been tempered via hawkish comments from Federal Reserve officers, who posited that hobby charges could rise by as much as 1% by using the give-up of the 12 months. Japan's Nikkei 225 index rallied 2.5% in catch-up alternate after a vacation on Thursday. Hong Kong's Hang Seng index brought 0.2%. Malaysian stocks rose 0.2%, after information showed the country's economy grew 8.9% inside the second area, a long way more than expectations of 6.7%.